Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate, and interact with all of our media. I really do appreciate it, right? Watch videos to the end, everything. Make sure you check out our blockchain friends. I know Flicto has some stuff coming up on the 15th, their voting platform. They got a lot of things going on with their voting platform, Magic Square NFT, and our new blockchain friends, which we're going to talk about today, InterMeta. So make sure you check them out. They're doing their new uh, vault card access. They're releasing their vault card access today. Well, actually, it's OG Mint has been a couple. It started. It's been here for a couple days. I've got my vault card, so I was in the OG. If you've been watching the channel and in our Discord and everything, then you've probably seen me mention them when they partnered up a while ago with Cardano, and so I've been following them basically since then. Their vision is just like their name says, InterMeta. InterMeta, they want to connect the metaverse. They're going to try to do this through an app, through a wallet type app, from what I understand. Your wallet is kind of like the central hub, going to be the central hub of this metaverse and the blockchain. I mean, this is how the wallet's what you interact with the blockchain with. So I think their idea is to pull together interoperability between all the different metaverses. Right now, they have their partners. Let's go over here to their website real quick. Right now, they have some, like I said, Cardano is their partner. If you've been watching the channel, you know who Cardano is. I actually did a review on Cardano a little while ago. Great customer service. They ran it like a business, right? Which these projects need to be run like businesses because that's what they are. And they're fun and they're all this kind of stuff. But great customer service on Cardano Villa, and so they're starting out with a Cardano. Um, we'll see if they go over into other blockchains. If they can just get interoperability between all the metaverses on Cardano, uh, that would be good. But everything's being bridged from one blockchain to another. Um, and again, the heart of this thing is the wallet, right? So that's basically their vision, just to give you an idea, overview of it. I encourage you to come here though and check out their vision and their white paper here, and check the team out, right? I'll let you do your own research. I'm just going to give you an overview of their project. But here's the vault cards they've released today, or not today. It's a couple days ago. But the OG mint's going on right now. They bumped the OG mint up. So we were going to start on the 14th, but we've already started. We started this weekend, and the public mint is going to be on the 15th. So make sure you get yourself ready. The OG mint was 120. Hopefully you got on that. Hopefully you've been following the channel and you heard about this project and took advantage of that. And then the public mint is going to be 160 ADA. Okay, and they're basically, these cards are just utility cards. Okay, they're going to give you early access to the vault, some premium memberships, whitelist spots to some things coming up, some drops coming up. The Cobalt card, which is the lowest grade card, is going to give you 3 partnership airdrops. So I'm thinking that that's probably um, some kind of drops from the metaverses. So you see who their partners are, and so it's going to be some kind of drops, tokens or NFTs or something like that from their partners. Is what I'm thinking that's going to be like. It's going to give you the Cobalt wallet user interface. So this would be the interface. Like I said, the wallet is the hub of all your going to. It's going to be the hub of all your access to Web3, right? To the new internet, to the blockchain, and that's where the thing. That's where everything's going to be interconnected, is through the wallet, is through your wallet. It's really going to be the hub of where you access stuff from. You're going to need to be able to transfer assets from one metaverse into a wallet, and then that wallet be able to, if they're not one-to-one compatible, that wallet be able to translate it and then um, push it over into another metaverse if you want to transfer stuff from one metaverse to another. So that's what it's going to have to be. There's going to have to be some kind of transposition there, right? So this is basically what I understand their vision is, and it's kind of like the web now. You got JavaScript. You need something where that everything can communicate with. Early on in the web, you had this and you had that and all that kind of stuff, but you need a commonality, right? So that's kind of what their vision is, and I think it's a good one. So obviously, and then your higher tier card, you have these are the drop rates: 5% for gold. You're going to get your early access, premium membership. You can get 5 free partnership drops, all premium airdrops, and then access to any of the future online and in-person InterMeta events. Right. So these are basically utility cards. What they are. So anyway, I encourage you to check them out. Hey, make sure you remember Pavia our Pavia asset giveaway. We've got that giveaway going on right now. It's going to end the beginning of next month. So if you go to Twitter and you check out the video that's posted on Twitter, interact with the post, like and retweet, all that kind of stuff, tag some people, then you can enter that giveaway. Also, I'm going to be probably listing some of them for sale probably next week. This is what the new asset looks like. The new Pavia asset looks like. It's kind of a metally type glass tower. So make sure you check that out and all that good stuff. Okay, so look on these the public mint on these vault card. It's going to happen on the 15th. So that's just a couple days. Get your wallets ready. Get prepared, and I hope you get a good job, right? I hope you get one of these gold cards, okay? So that's about what I have for you today. Y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.